Harry.
Oh, fuck me. Welcome back to another video. Today is a horrible day because we are going to be doing a beep test. A mad fitness test that, it's not mad, but it's a fitness test that, yeah, basically it sucks. So, we are going up to the field where we live and trying it out. It's going to be absolutely horrible because it is about -3 today. And yeah, I'm just not looking forward to it. Should be sick. Not going to be fun. See how it goes, isn't it? See you up there. Had to get a warm up in because today is about -10, I think. That's about -3. But I don't know what the Bleeptest is. It's a fitness test where you have a 20-meter sprint track, just cone to cone, and you have a Bleep soundtrack, and it goes up in levels, and it gets quicker each time you get to each end. It's like 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and yeah, in school we probably got about 12ish because we were so fit. But this will be the first time we've tried it in about 10 years. So in this weather, hoping to get around 10, but could surprise ourselves, so we'll see.
I just, it was harder than I remember.
Oh man. Oh. These little two hooligans are going first, and they're going to get some filming of me running it, so yeah, sick. Should be good fun. What, boys, you ready? Sick.
2, 1. Stage 1.
I'm hungry for the power. I'm hungry for the power. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for the power.
Boys, keep it going.
I'm hungry for the power. I'm hungry.
Level 10.
I'm hungry for the
Oh man,
power.
keep it up.
I'm hungry for the power. The thoughts in your head. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for the power. The game just goes on. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Well done. Killing it. Come boy.
I'm hungry for the power.
Hey, sick, Scotty, keep going, come on.
I'm hungry
Have this.
for the power.
10, 3,
10.1 and 8.1. Sick?
Really should have warmed up before,
10,
eh?
Yeah,
4,
definitely.
10,
Well played.
5,
2 men down.
I'm hungry for the power. I'm hungry for the power. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for the power. I'm hungry.
Solid effort. Well done, Harry.
Oh, fuck me. That was hard. I was expecting 12, but the cold.
Expecting 12,
Can't
but
breathe through my nose, man.
it's -2 out here.
Oh,
10.8.
10.8.
First time in 10 years.
First time in 10 years. Solid. Thick one. Whoa,
Doesn't use any muscle.
that was hard.
Well, yeah, and you're doing
Didn't remember it being that hard. That absolutely killed me.
Yeah.
Boys, how did you
And
find that
soft
then?
ground, soft ground as well.
How'd you find it?
Yeah, that was alright.
Oh,
Got
That's a
kind of
killer.
what I expected to get.
yeah,
Room for improvement.
definitely. Room for improvement. Well, I'm going to give it a go again in a couple of
We'll
months.
see
See
you next
ya.
Sunday.
See you next Sunday. Oh, what a ping! Oh, Jesus Christ. Fucking hell, lads, need a warm up. It's getting...
Swoops it. Hang on, no, sorry.
Four, 3,